Hi guys, we had invited one of the JBMS students, our ex-students, to the class in the other branch yesterday, and she was the other branch ki student herself. So one of the current student asked me, "Sir, I got 75 percentile in CAT. I'm not very feeling that great in CAT. What to do? What next? What this? What that? Should I apply to a chota mota B school?" So he gave me a name of couple of B schools to apply for. And when she left, when the JBMS girl left, I talked to this guy about that part. Okay, this girl have got last year 75 percentile in CAT and converted Jamnal Bajaj. And in Jamnal Bajaj, she have gone to a consulting company. And consulting company means money, travel, your life is sorted. So if she would have thought of applying to any small B grade college and felt bad about that or bringing her standard to that low level, obviously she won't be there in JBMS today. ठीक है. What I'm trying to say now is कि अगर तुमने छोटा मोटा बी स्कूल पे compromise कर दिया तो तुम बड़ा ख्वाब नहीं कर पाओगे. And if you've been following my videos of all the toppers, we have seen students who have got 66 in CAT and got 99.91 in CET, 75 in CAT and 99.67 in CET. Tejal, who came yesterday, got 75 in CAT and got 99.94 in CET. So I can give you millions of examples who have done wonderfully well in the CAT exam. In the CET exam, but not doing that good in the CET exam. Same thing we are going to do as well. So rather than thinking sad about CAT or trying to waste one more year, waiting for one more year, let's crack CET this year. We have enough time, trust me, because there's no math, there is very less marks of maths, so we can easily do well in the CET paper. So that's the homework for the day today. So 3 marks of percentages which I want to cover up today. Percentage is one of the very important topic, and DI other topics are based on percentages as well. So percentages 3 marks you have to cover. Simple test, compound interest 1 mark, cover that part. Geometry, mensuration, again 3 question. Now geometry mensuration is a huge topic. Huge matlab you cannot complete in 1 year also. So all I want to do is I want to go through all the formulas. Okay. So this week the same timetable we are going to follow in class in Bombay, so that we can cover up all these topics. So if you're a classroom student, we're going to cover up all these topics this week. आप पूरे हफ्ते में ये करो. ठीक है. Way to start, how to start the CET preparation, easy way out is do the weekly homework. Let's divide the CET preparation into weekly homeworks. Fine. In next tomorrow mostly I'll upload a 60 days plan with a week by week basis what topic we should target for the CET paper. But this week these are your target. So instead of looking at a bigger picture of 60 days what to do, what not to do, let's talk about the weekly base. So that's why I'm uploading this weekly homework every week. ठीक है. So geometry mensuration 3 question, para jumpers 5 question, and para jumble pattern have totally changed. Okay, so this week in para jumble we are going to talk about the new pattern which is coming in the CET paper, in which it's not about giving you five statements and finding out which order you will get. इसमें fill in the blanks भी आएगा, इसमें para completion भी आएगा, इसमें सब कुछ आएगा. So it's a combination of para completion, para jumble and fill the blanks. So welcome to CET का para jumbles, 5 marks. Grammar, subject verb agreement will be 3 marks in the CET paper. Grammar is very important for CET. Minimum 10 to 15 mark paper is going to be based on grammar. कभी 10 कभी 15, like morning slot में 15 था, second में 10 आ गया. So मोटा मोटा 10 लेके चलो आप. तो उसमें से 3 question will be based on subject verb agreement. Next is input output. Again, that's one of my favorite topics because for me, I can teach this topic in 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes ka time. I'll explain you input output in such a way that you remember that all your life. ठीक है. तो input output I'll be taking. Visual reasoning, I want to talk about the replacement का question because replacement वाला question is normally ignored by everybody because somebody is being replaced. Star था, ऊपर आया, नीचे आया, गायब हो गया. So replacement वाला 5 question. If you're online students, in your login ID we have the videos for all these things. So go through the video. Same topic is being covered in class. Same topic recording is available in your login ID. And critical reasoning inference based question we're doing today, which is 2 marks. So that's your mota around 25-27 mark ka CET paper. We are going to cover up this week. 15, 25, 27 mark CET paper. We're going to cover up this week. Okay. So every week if I'm covering up around 25 mark ka paper, trust me, we'll be able to complete everything by. So if you're starting today, we'll be completing everything by Feb 15. If you're following my earlier videos, we'll tend to complete everything by Jan 30. So from Feb 1, I will start with the workshops, with the masterclass workshop from Feb 1. So that's my plan. So that those who have joined us earlier or those who have taken CAT also, you are done with a lot of basics. So we can directly move to the marathons as well. So my marathon will be started from Jan 1st. Okay, that's how the plan from Feb 1st. That's how we are planning to do that. Okay, so if you're not sitting a student, you can join us for this program by clicking on by checking the details. I've given you the address of all the centers, number of all the centers, and for the online program. So you want to join the classroom program, online program को जो भी join करना, you can join that program and join us. So do subscribe to the channel so you can get all the updates automatically for all the upcoming videos for CET and other exams. From the CMAT point of view, I don't want you to do anything extra for CMAT. CMAT में वही सब आने वाला है. तो all you need to do for CMAT point of view is keep giving mocks. And CMAT का main problem is GK and Quant. Yes, Quant is the main problem because they're going to ask question of every topic. Quant में सब कुछ आएगा. If there are 25 chapters in our book, there will be one question from every chapter. So you can't ignore anything. Do solved example. Level will be easy. The level is all solved example, but we have to do. So for CMAT point of view, if you can do all these chapters, just do the solved example of everything. They'll cover up for all the exams. Okay. So that's your homework for this week. Alright. So all the best. Thank you.